Ladies and freaking gentlemen, welcome to Quad Boss Lee, and today we are going to have some fun because I just got two brand new RC cars sitting right behind me. It is going to be a great day today. We're actually going to test drive both of them. They are both really not stock anymore. I will get in detail when we get to the actual riding park. So without further ado, let's get started. Alrighty guys, so we have made it to the spot, and I'm going to show you the first car where it's actually the street car. It's actually a truck, but let me show you what the truck looks like. So here is our 1/8 scale Arrma Infraction truck. It has had some modifications done to it. It's had 2 lifts on it, also brand new wheels and tires, because I took this thing out for one ride, and this is what the tires look like now. They were completely bald. So here's our stocks. And here's our aftermarkets. They were pretty good size difference, but this is the truck. The internals have been completely swapped, so the motor and the ESC and all that fun jazz, that's all the stock stuff got ripped off. So here's what the truck looks like now. Let me tear this body off and I'll show the inside. Alright, so here's the inside of our truck. It's got a suspension lift and then also the body lift, and it also has a 3-cell system in it to replace this guy. Got a nice 3-cell battery and also the motor. So everything I've done to this truck is, as far as I know, is completely neatly done. So now we're actually going to test rip this. So I'm going to put the body back on and we're going to go ahead and give this bad boy a test ride. Alright guys, so here is the truck with the body on it, and this thing is gorgeous. This thing gets so much traction. Before it just spin the tires, and right now it kind of does once it finally gets up to speed. But alright, let's enjoy this ride. Alrighty guys, so now we have the second vehicle, which is actually an Arrma Senton. Let me show you what this looks like. So the Arrma Senton looks exactly like this. There are multiple color options, but this is the setup that I got. It's got stock outside, stock tires, stock everything. The only thing that's not stock is the inside. The inside is set up just like our Infraction is. We got the 3-cell system in it. Replace this, replace the motor, and also got our 3-cell battery. Suspension is stock. Everything else is stock on this truck. So let's go ahead and get this bad boy a rip. Alright guys, I'm going to drive it without the body for now because I actually want to show you guys this thing will actually, even though it's made for dirt, it will actually spin these stock tires on the ground. So I'm going to go ahead and set you down here, and we're going to go ahead and give it a launch. This thing is insane, guys. I mean, my other truck's insane too, but this guy with the stock tires, this thing just spins. Just right off the line again. We're gonna spin the tires again. And guys, this is what I mean by power. Look at this, we're just doing donuts on the street. Alrighty guys, and just like that, we are done. Hopefully this video came out good. It's kind of hard. I was trying to film and drive at the same time. We'll see what happens, but guys, these trucks are super sick. There will be plenty more to come once the weather cools down, because it is still hot out here, so we have to watch the temp on these. But other than that, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give this video a like, and if you have not already, subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one.